this is a side note. This side note. I got a black beef case. What's in the black beef case, TiVo? What's wrong? It's GoPro stuff. It's your boy. This how I roll. You know what I mean? I got my thingamabobbers over here, my jiggulators, my epilators, my next labor, you know what I mean? And my tetherlators, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, tether rock. You know what I mean? It's your boy. I'm gonna say it again. Make sure you tether stuff. Make sure you tether things. So I'm not really sure where is this picking up off of. This here is the audio box to allow the GoPro to talk. It is $6 on eBay. It's $6 for this right here. So best thing ever. This here is the Sony microphone that I use. It's actually a clip-on mic. It's meant for people that's doing interviews. You just clip this mic on the shirt and then it works. But it also works for what we're doing for the GoPro. You just, you know, pop this in, plug it up to the side of your GoPro. I'll show you exactly what it looks like. Pop it in. This housing that I got for the GoPro is yeah, the housing was like $12. It doesn't come with this. This is the GoPro Hero 4. I'm gonna do a video on the 7 tonight, so, or real soon. You know, I just say real soon so it seems like I'm professional. So I'm gonna do some settings on here. I'm not really gonna show you the settings. Well, I guess I can. I should. All right, I'll show you. So I think I charged this thing. So of course you see the, oh yeah, I don't have a memory card on here, but okay, so you see that it says 1080p 60 frames per second. I heard that you can get away with so you can get away with 30 frames per second, and that blinking blue light is actually the Bluetooth. So you got Bluetooth on here. So this is 1080p 60 wide. You want to have the wide. Boom. Pro Tunes, want to make sure Pro Tunes is on. That helps with color. Auto also helps with color. GoPro color. When you do GoPro color, it automatically, you know, colors everything for you. Some people use flat because they want to go back in the editor and add color. GoPro color is not that bad, and you're not gonna change so much. Let's see, ISO, that's the shutter speed. Like, so I think that's the shutter speed. I'm not going like go in. I'm not the best at this anyway. I keep it at like 1600 because if you use a higher rate, it kind of drains from your GoPro a lot. Kills the battery fast. It only works for, you know, only so long. I get like 5 hours out of this, so I keep this medium. What is that? What is that? I'm keeping medium. Oh, that's the spot meter. GoPro 1600 ISO. Yeah, that's the shutter speed. Oh, I keep sharpness at medium. So shout out to that. Now you're like, dang, bro. See, will it focus? Will it focus? Yeah, it focused. Cool. Go down, and that's it. All right. The W stands for wide, but it's also super view. So on other GoPros, you'll see it says super view on there. Let's see, video. 60 frames per second. And go down. You know, narrow, wide. Low light, spot meter, Pro Tunes. Yeah, so on this on this Hero 4 Black, because this is the black, wide is actually like super view. So That is the end of Mr. 20 West setting up his helmet. Thank you for watching as always, and please, people, please like, subscribe, and share if you got any information off of it. Even if you didn't get any information off of this, send this to somebody this could help. You know what I mean? Always make sure that you keep the tether on there, because you don't want to lose no GoPro. Like, I can't stress the importance of tethers. Now that I have had a situation that needed me to have a tether, I think I have to put a tether on T's helmet. Maybe I don't, but I don't really trust my skills no more, so I'm just tethering out everything. As always, peace. My people, be beautiful out there while you killing it. Ooh, look at that vlog setup though. That is dope. I'm so happy right now with this setup. Cool.